Hey Dre, how you doing today?
Doing good. I'm out here for RadfordHomes.
All right, that's what's up, man. What you doing for RadfordHomes, man?
We're putting in a fence, a privacy fence.
Okay.
That's what we're doing.
I noticed just a few minutes ago, you told me that the privacy fence need to be right there flush with those nails. Could you kind of show the customers when you do their fence?
So here's your nail line.
Uh-huh.
And here's your 8-foot post. You want the post to be right. You want the post to be almost level with the lines here, with the nails here. That's your nail line, that's your strength. You want the post that far on the ground because it gives it strength with an 80-pound, 60-pound bag of concrete.
Okay, 60-pound bag of concrete, that's what's up.
It gives it strength, so when the hurricane blows and the wind come through, you ain't got to worry about the fence on the ground.
All right. Now that's what's up. And this is the second fence that he's put up for me. He's putting up cabinets for me. He's doing the pressure washing. He also do drywall as well. Okay, give him a call. Reach him at where?
You can reach me at 816-277-5495. I'm a Kansas City boy. Some people call me KC.
All right, we out of here.
When you hire me, you get me.
Uh-oh. You heard that, right? Peace.